You ever notice how people only start missing you the moment you stop giving a damn? Like you could text someone every morning with a good morning for 3 weeks straight. Nothing. Not even a crumb of enthusiasm. But the moment you don't text them, suddenly they're checking your stories, liking your old posts from 2017 and texting you, "Hey, you okay?" Oh, now you care. In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip the script, how to make anyone miss you like crazy, without games, without manipulation, and definitely without begging. And don't worry, you don't need to become a mysterious ninja or vanish off the face of the earth. You just need to do this one thing right. Let's dive in. Part 1. The attention trap, and why you're stuck in it. Let me ask you something. Have you ever liked someone so much that you couldn't help but overgive? You texted them first. You complimented them non-stop. You sent memes, good morning texts, voice notes, smoke signals. You even laughed at their unfunny jokes like, "LOL, that's hilarious." Was it hilarious? No, not even close. But you were trying, hoping, waiting. And what did they do? Nothing. They replied with one-word texts like LOL or haha or my personal favorite, K. Ouch. Here's the truth. People don't crave what they already have unlimited access to. You don't miss air until you're underwater, and most of us are just giving people air 24/7 while drowning in our own emotions. The first step to making someone miss you is pulling back your energy, not disappearing, just reclaiming your value. Let me show you how. Part 2. The power of absence. Why less is actually more. There's this quote by Tim Kreider that says, "Missing someone is a form of self-love. It's how we realize what someone meant to us." You know what that means? If you're always there, they don't get the chance to miss you. Imagine your favorite song played on a loop all day, every day. At first you'd vibe. You'd sing. You'd dance in your underwear. But by day 3, you're like, if I hear this song one more time, I'm throwing my phone out the window. That's what happens when you overexpose yourself to someone. They stop appreciating you. They take you for granted. You become background noise. So, what's the fix? Create space, not to punish them, but to protect your energy. Start texting a little less. Wait before replying. Let the silence breathe. You're not ghosting them. You're reminding them of your value. And when someone starts to feel that emptiness where your presence used to be, that's when they start craving you. Like a midnight snack they didn't know they needed. Part 3. The magnetic law of contrast. Here's a simple but powerful principle. People only notice something when it changes. Think about it. You don't notice the sun shining every day until it rains. You don't appreciate good health until you catch a cold. And you don't realize someone's attention meant something until it's not there. That's why you must break the pattern. If you've always been the one chasing, stop. If you've always been the one texting first, pause. Let the silence do the talking. Because here's what happens when you change your behavior. They get confused. Wait, why aren't you texting? They get curious. Are you mad? Are you busy? Are you talking to someone else? They get invested. Now they start thinking about you. Boom. That's the power of contrast. You're flipping the script from "I'm always here" to "I'm not always available." And trust me, availability is not attractive. Selective availability is. Part 4. Be the prize, not the pursuer. Let me hit you with some spicy truth. The more you chase, the less they value. The more you become the prize, the more they chase you. It's basic psychology. When something is hard to get, we think it must be valuable. Think about diamonds. They're literally just shiny rocks. But because they're rare and hard to get, we spend thousands on them. Now imagine if diamonds were falling out of trees like apples. Would anyone care? Nope. Same goes for your attention. Don't be falling out of trees, my friend. Be the diamond. Be rare. Be unforgettable. That means you. Stop texting them just because you're bored. Stop replying within 3 seconds like you're on call. Stop being overly nice just to get their approval. You're not here to impress. You're here to express your value. And let them impress you for once. Part 5. The secret sauce. Living a life they can't resist. Now let me give you the real secret. The thing that makes someone miss you like crazy isn't just your absence. It's what you do with that absence. You see, if you go quiet, but you're just sitting at home eating cereal and refreshing their Instagram, they're not going to miss that. That's not mysterious. That's just sad cornflakes. But if you go quiet and you start living, going out, laughing with friends, posting subtle wins, chasing your goals, glowing up, now that's what they miss. They start seeing you as someone in motion, someone evolving. And you know what happens then? They want back in, because people don't miss you. They miss the feeling they got when they were around you. If you're out there becoming the best version of yourself, that feeling becomes stronger, more addicting, irresistible. You're not just the one who used to text them. You become the one who got away. Part 6. Stop trying to be missed. And you will be okay. Here's the twist no one tells you. The moment you try to be missed, you lose the magic, because then it becomes a game. You're watching your phone, counting likes, posting stuff just to make them jealous. That energy, people can feel it. It doesn't come off as confident. It comes off as desperate. So here's the paradox. To make them miss you, you have to not care if they do. You have to be genuinely happy without them, living, laughing, growing, and not checking your phone every 5 minutes like it owes you money. That's when the energy shifts. That's when you become magnetic. Because now you're not seeking love. You are love. You're not begging for attention. You attract it, and people crave what they can't control. Part 7. Real life example. The power of pulling back. Let me give you a quick story. There was this guy, let's call him Jake. Jake was crazy about this girl, Mia. Texted her all the time, made plans, complimented her, always available. And Mia? She liked the attention, but wasn't really into him. Then one day, Jake got busy. New job, new friends, gym routine. He wasn't ignoring her, he just had a life now. Suddenly, Mia starts texting more. Hey stranger, miss talking to you. What happened to you? Jake didn't ghost her. He just stopped orbiting around her like a lost planet. He became the sun, and she noticed. That's the shift. You don't need to disappear. You just need to recenter yourself. Let them come to you. Part 8. Your new mantra. If you feel my absence, that means I mattered. From now on, I want you to remember this. If you feel my absence, that means I mattered. You don't need to scream your worth. You don't need to prove your value. Just be someone who, when they're not around, people feel it. Be the kind of person whose silence is louder than other people's noise. And how do you become that? Simple. Value your time. Nurture your own life. Speak less. Do more. Stop chasing. Start attracting. Because the truth is, they'll crave you the most when you're too busy becoming someone amazing. Not someone who needs them, but someone they need. Closing thoughts. So, you want to make them miss you. Here's the recap. Pull back your energy. Stop overgiving. Break the pattern. Let the silence speak. Focus on you. Become magnetic. Let go of the outcome. That's when it comes to you. It's not about being cold. It's not about games. It's about choosing yourself so powerfully that they feel it. Because when you become the person who doesn't need to be chased, you become the one they chase anyway. Stay silent, stay strong, stay rare. and watch how they crave you more than ever. If you enjoyed this and want more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment like, "I'm the diamond now, so I know you're one of us." Till next time, disappear with confidence, peace.